Okay, so now we're going to do another merengue. This is going to be very basic, showing you how we build up steps to make this accessible to people of all levels of ability. Because that's what Zumba fitness is about. It should be fun, it should be easy. So, are you ready, Thomas? Okay, he's taking on the dance challenge today. First time on stage. So at the end, if you like it, I want to hear you clap really, really loud. Yes? All right, so let's start. Okay. Getting in the mood. Hey. Hey. We're going to start adding a tap. 4, 3, 2, here we go. Tap. Right? So that's how we want to get people started. It should be simple. It should be fun. Then, when we've got them in the mood, we start to add a shimmy. Shimmy. Hey. Ha, ha. Let me see you smile. Okay, adding arms, here we go. Up. To add arms when your participants got the feet going, making it easy for them. Because when it's easy, we keep going. When it's easy, we want to do more. We want to start with what we can do today, right now. Okay. All right. Merengue march. March. We're going to build a merengue side step, showing you how we can layer the moves. Are you ready, Thomas? All right. For 4, 3, 2, merengue side. Here we go. Side and pause. Side and pause. Good. Starts like that. Now, if you were in a class and you're like, "Ooh, this is as much as I can do today," that's okay. Getting healthy should feel good. But if you want to take it up a notch, start to go continuous. Here we go. Ha, 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 ha. That's layer number 2. Good so far? All right. Then we take it up a notch. We start to cross. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness, we're crossing. But all we did was just to take that leg in front. It just looks like something else. And then we go like, that's it. I got it. I'm dancing. We add the arms. 4, 3, 2. Merengue march. Woo. All right, getting into squats. 4, 3, 2, sitting back. We want to start to add that muscular endurance component. But by then, you're ready. You're ready to do those squats. Because it doesn't feel tiring anymore. You're energized. You're happy. Are you happy? Alright. Let's increase the intensity. We're going to add the knee lift. Here we go. Down and up. Down and up. Back to singles. Sitting back, bringing some attention to your alignment, keeping your knees behind the toes to maximize the work on your glutes. Keeping the chest lifted will help to really work at the back of the hip. 4, 3, are you burning? Woo. All right, march it out. Okay, no resting. Let's start to add the music. That's the magic. Here we go. So now we're putting it together.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño. con mucho cariño de mi corazón, a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue, la casa de la bachata. La, 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 la casa del merengue, la, 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 y la casa de la bachata. Música de la República. Esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón, a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue, la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón, a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue, la casa de la bachata. La casa del merengue, la, 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 y la casa de la bachata.
Here we go! Makes you want to be on vacation! Woo! Other side!
Música, 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 te traigo música. Música de la República.
Thank you very much. I'm Lavita Matanadi from Fun Living Toronto and Thomas Morito. You want to know more about Zumba and how we make the workout fun? Come visit our booth. Thank you very much.